guys, Linda the Thug Wolf here.
Sorry, there was a bit of interruption.
Which I dislike. It gets on my nerves and I want to hurt my tablet for that.
What? You really? That's mean.
There's a meme stuck in my head now.
But anyway, yeah, no. So Madison. What?
Oh, you're a crackling witch. Literally, my
What was that?
Your eyes look. It literally look like they're popping out of your head and scared the crap out
I'm
of me.
good. Stop it.
That's literally my witch laugh.
I'll get you and your little dog too.
Would you stop doing that? That hurt. That was a really loud clap. Hey Madison, look, it's raining.
Ah! Damn it.
Dang it.
Same thing.
No, it's not.
It's two.
No, it isn't.
It's
No,
two.
it's not.
It's two.
Hey, so do you want to come downstairs and show the viewers what I've been working on? Because it seems like you haven't come down here recently. I know.
Wait. Actually, I want to do something.
To them, it's probably going to look completely different.
Don't look at my screen.
Me?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want to do something.
Well, now you're making me really want to.
Don't do it! Don't do it.
Are you making cookies?
Dang it! You did it!
Yes, I did.
You can put me down.
I don't like that song. Stop it.
It's a meme.
I don't care. I don't like that meme. Stop it.
You're crazy.
Stop it.
Get some help. Jinx.
What?
We both said it at the same time.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did. We both said, stop it. Get some help.
She needs some milk.
That's my meme.
No, it's not.
It's two.
You didn't make it.
I
Doesn't
didn't
count
make
as
it, but I
yours if
still
you didn't
use
make
it all
it.
the freaking time.
You didn't make it though.
I still use it all the freaking time.
You didn't make it though.
I'm using it all the freaking time.
Jeez.
See, this is why we need to call
Sorry,
it
Johnny Depp. Didn't mean to upset you. I wouldn't go up here, bro.
I'm
He's gonna be
going
able
up.
to see.
I'm going. Oh yeah, I forgot.
But hey, look at what I did. I made a pattern and I'm starting my statue. They can see it.
But I want to turn on the freaking light.
What light? The light
Do
in
you
the
know what it looks like right there? What does it look like?
4 squares.
Uh-uh.
No. It looks like my neighbor Totoro. It looks like a butterfly.
It kind of does. The heck?
I'm good.
You guys on the screen can't see it. If you guys try to.
What? See what?
The thing.
They might be able to.
Might be able.
I mean, a little. Yeah, our gamma's up pretty high because I can't see in the dark. So, I mean, it makes sense. But
But I can.
no, you can't. Don't lie.
I can too.
She's lying. She can't see in the dark. You know what? I haven't even tried my lasagna yet. I've been eating my Caesar salad. Mmm.
I already ate my little.
Caesar salad.
Makes me want to throw up saying the word.
Mm-hmm.
I like
Caesar
the salad.
salad's good.
I like the salad. I just don't like the seasoning.
Caesar salad's so good. I could eat it forever. Like, that could be what I live off of. It's so good. Maybe then I'll lose some weight. What? It's true. I'm fat.
Dang it!
What'd you do?
I fell off.
Oh. Wow, Mrs. Parkour Noob.
I'm really good at parkouring.
You're really bad at parkouring.
Really?
Uh-huh.
If they made a parkour map for Minecraft, I would do pretty awesome at
They do make Minecraft maps for Minecraft.
it. Minecraft.
They do make parkour maps for Minecraft. What do you think Preston Plays does? The
I
so-called
meant on
parkour
Xbox.
king. Well, on Xbox, you're screwed.
Well, they should actually.
Ah, man. That's my pickaxe.
I have one.
I have one too, but I ain't using your rotten iron.
Use my iron.
No.
Use it.
No.
Use it. Iron equals life. Say it.
no.
Say it.
No.
Say it.
No.
Say it. I'm like pushing. Get it. Brad versus me, everybody. Come here.
Bread wins!
No.
I just like parkoured that whole thing, and you're just like, wait, I can't do it. No. You
Yeah.
took off my flower.
I think you put it
Put
back.
it back.
I don't.
It's right there in your inventory. Where are you going with it? Back.
Okay, let's go. Oh, come on, it's
Yeah.
cheating.
No,
It's
it's not.
cheating. It's cheating. No. I can't close the door. No, I'm catching crap. Run. No, that's not fair. That's not fair. Run. What the heck?
Put my flower
It doesn't
back.
count. It doesn't count. No. Go right down. Run.
Put my flower back.
Oh, dang. Dang, what the... I can't breathe.
Now I know what you do. Touch my flower.
Here's a cookie.
Oh, cookie. Cookies still suck, but I'll eat it.
Yay!
Yummy.
You took my cookie. You love my cookies. Do you love my cookies?
No, they suck. Your face. Maddie, give me my flower back. Stop it.
We're done.
Madison, you still have like, it's 6 minutes, bro.
I'm sorry. This works.
I just like you.
Ow.
I don't know. I don't like the onions in this lasagna.
I don't like you on this lasagna. You suck in lasagna. Don't know.
Well, it's a good thing I'm not in it, then, huh? This lasagna's not half bad. What?
You didn't see that?
No,
I broke a flower and then put it back.
I'm sure you did. Now then, are you gonna keep terrorizing me, or can I get things done?
You know what I want to play? I want to make a hide and freaking seek nap.
No.
But I want to.
No. You go do that on your own time. I have other things to do.
I'm
Leave my rose alone.
not gonna touch your rose.
Mm-hmm.
Too cute. It's too teeny.
Madison, don't you have anything better to do?
No.
Why not?
I don't know.
Cause I don't know. I love my Licky the Rose, Mr. Ryan.
Go. Ow.
Soon I'll finally be able to build my town hall.
Because it's a mismatch.
What? Hello, Two-Face. Wait, Madison, are there two people there? Yeah, there are.
Yeah.
What are you two doing together? Wait, leave them alone. So, what are you two doing?
What the heck? Let me.
Madison, just leave them alone in peace, okay? They're trying to make out. Just leave them alone. Leave them alone, okay? They need some privacy.
Then it's a mama see.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
You're in a church, for gosh sakes. What'd you just say? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Madison falls that well.
No, but you can't fight me.
What?
You can't. I said you can't fight me.
I can fight you.
I meant fine.
Sure you did. Yeah, no you didn't. You did not just say that.
There's so many freaking windows.
Are you really just have nothing to do?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Like, what about your town, bro?
There's nothing there I can do.
What?
There's nothing there I can do.
Why not? You have tons of other things you need to
There's
do.
nothing I can do.
Like what?
Nothing.
Why?
Because
Why?
I don't have the materials that I need to do.
What do you need?
I need quartz.
Why?
Because I'm not done
I
building.
just gave you a stack of quartz, lady. What'd you do with it?
Because there's
Massive.
roof.
town hall.
Go. That's just
I hate
cold.
you sometimes.
What?
I just like you sometimes.
I just like you too.
Good. I'm glad this feeling is mutual.
I'm just gonna go jump off.
Ow!
I did it!
That hurt. Ugh. Ow. Madison, after this video, you need to go get me a drink.
Let me have a drink.
No, it's gone.
You drank it all?
There wasn't that much left!
Mackenzie, try to find me.
You're at the church, bro.
No, you're not.
No, you're not. No, you're not. I'm not at the church. I know I'm not at the church. I never said I was at the church.
Okay, try to find me now.
You're in the house next to the church.
Oh.
Yeah, you are.
No. Try to find me.
Oh, I want this. Thank you.
Try to find me. How
You're in
about
the house next
how
to
about
the
this?
church.
Turn around and I'm gonna go hide somewhere and then come find me.
Turn around.
Turn around, you.
Why?
You turn around
Why?
so I can go hide.
Why?
Because I want you to find me.
But Madison, I'm busy doing stuff.
I'm trying to hide.
I don't care. I'm busy doing stuff. Alright? I don't have time for your childish games. Good dog. Alright then. So you're gonna come here so we can get this over with because it's daytime. Hey, look, a library. I was there.
Really, we're trying to find me.
Yes and no. No. We're fine on time. Calm down. Mm-hmm.
You did not see me.
No.
You passed me.
Then why don't you uncrouch for a second?
I'm not gonna do that.
Why not?
I'm in an obvious spot.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're in the corner of a house.
Yeah, an obvious freaking house.
I love the obvious house. There are lots of obvious houses, bro.
It's a really obvious house, dude.
There are lots of really obvious houses, dude. How am I supposed to know which one's obvious? What are you talking about? How am I supposed to know that?
I'll give you a hint. Village is in mine.
When I find you, I'm gonna punch you very hard. Uncrouch. Why not?
My house is very easy. There's a villager inside mine.
Fine.
Do you want
I'll
another hint?
destroy the whole house.
No, do you want another hint?
Can we draw all the houses?
Here's another hint. I'm in one of the small houses.
I know that! That's very helpful. There are like 50 small houses. It took you long. Oh my god. There's like 50 small houses. You expected me to know that? So can we get this over with already? So I can go back to doing my stuff?
Okay, fine. I was just trying to play around. Oh god, well, people of the world, you find this place
People
called...
of the world, you gotta get a different exit.
I don't know! Just shut up! Okay, goodbye!
Bye.